Oh mate, that looks amazing on the road just there, by the way. These are gonna look so good. Take these keys and take this vehicle, and if you just park it between the two, do you see the first two lights that aren't lighting up, and I'll take some photos of it. Okay. If that's okay.
Morning. Morning, pal. How are you doing? Not too bad, yourselves?
Yeah, good.
It's a bit nicer than mine.
And mine, don't worry.
I've got the Boxer.
And mine.
Hello, join the club.
Okay, and
We're
then I'll
just,
just leave you to take some pictures.
And I'll be 10 minutes taking photos, and then we'll do some quick video, and that'll be that. If that's okay?
Tea or coffee or anything?
Oh no, thanks.
Okay.
Thank you, but no thank you.
Stephen,
we don't want to take
Hughes.
up too much of your time,
I know.
because we're here unannounced. I didn't realise you had to phone in advance.
Well, he's only a second, okay?
Yeah. He seems like a nice guy, to be fair.
He is.
Can I just reverse back?
Yes.
Aye. Wait a minute. Typical, eh?
Typical, is it?
Hello.
The none comes for ages.
Hello.
No, I brought my girlfriend's Merc in today because I've got to move a toilet.
Oh,
I can't
okay.
fit a toilet in my car, can I?
Oh, well, you need a big van.
Aye.
That's it. And then everyone phones.
So how new is this?
Brand new. So this is a Porsche 911 ST.
ST.
Yeah, it's there's only, I think, 1,900 of them made. This one's paint to sample, so it's a one of one. But it's for a really special customer. We're from the Porsche Centre.
Yes.
Just trying to think of something unique that we could do for this guy. Anyway, thank you. So I am shooting on the A7iv, and we're shooting this brand new Porsche ST, 911 ST, absolute cracker. It's, I think, a one of one, paint to sample, and the ST is a one of about 1,900, so can you, yeah, that's fine. And I'm shooting A7iv. The minute someone shows up, the minute you try and pull away. Nice.
Turn the lights off.
No, that's perfect. So I've got this filler on. And I'm just going to go in the grass. So nice with the frosty grass, yeah.
There is a car coming, Steve, so I need to...
It's alright, wait a minute. Don't do it. Sometimes you've just got to balls it out, like. If you need to move, that's cool. It's so nice, that. Probably going to do a lot of reversing about, I'm afraid. crisp. That's the word.
I know you'll do interior afterwards, but you've got the black on still.
Yeah. Even if we just get like 20 or so really nice photos, you know?
Yeah.
Which is cool. The ST badge is like the nicest thing in the world to photograph with.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just that gold. I love the gold. I think it's so sweet, like honestly. Right, I'm going over here. There he is though. The boss. The boss. The man who makes the dreams happen. So we got a little bit of tree for depth.
Yeah.
And we've got to brighten up a wee bit, and then we've got all the cars in the back. I'll take them out.
Oh, just like close them out.
Yeah. And then we just got. So this is more for the back of the car at the moment. Yeah. And then we'll just do a classic side-on shot. Was that not on before?
The lights must be on there in front of me.
Yeah. How strange.
Such a good colour picture, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice in against all the green. Nice.
I really like the one that's done, Steve, of the window that you can see the bridge in the background.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
The sort of contextual shots, to call them. Just, I need to show Lucy how to like use them, because you can like, if you put them all together, you get like, you can build like a sort of a story.
It's cool when you see it from this angle, when you see the double bubble roof as well, isn't it?
Yeah. I love that. You fucked me up though, because I didn't realise that light bar wasn't on. We'll get a few of the wee details and then get the video camera out and you sit quite low, eh?
Yeah, very.
Oh really? Wow. Let's have a look at. Yeah. You can turn it off if you want. Turn it up. So, are you like fully recovered from the most traumatic months of your life?
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Do what you need to do. Keep them for when we drive back.
Just hit the button here. Let's see. Just want to check something. Some of these have a habit of not being sharp. No back seats either, I didn't realise that.
And the passenger cell's different as well.
Not bad, eh? Very pedantic. I'm only joking. Oh! No, I'm just gonna get the SD.
Arriving with it like this, a Turbo 50.
Nice.
So I'll maybe try and get you to do that as well. It's not mine, but it's pretty nifty with it.
This isn't the most spectacular photo, but it's just so I can get the wheels as well while I'm here like this. You don't like the reflection? Alright. And that's like not even, you know, it's like barely even cutting it.
I don't know how we don't do the photography more. I know you're already spread rather thin, but
it's a lot of time and work, man.
And maybe not the best return.
Not really. Not in comparison to other things like that I could be doing. And that's just the reality of it. I like doing the Porsche stuff, like it's good fun.